Hello, and welcome to the Crypto World Evolution Introduction to Trading. Trading in the cryptocurrency market is simply exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. It's similar to trading stocks or currency. In the stock market, we can use our money to purchase stocks with several companies, whether it's Apple, Facebook, Exxon, Walmart, or several others. In the Forex market, you can utilize the US dollar to purchase British pounds, the Chinese yuan, Canadian dollars, euro, or Japanese yen, many other currencies. The cryptocurrency marketplace is simple as well. It's utilizing a currency like Bitcoin, which is the most popular, to purchase Ripple or Ethereum or Litecoin, Dash, Monero, IOTA, Stellar, Zcash, or several other coins. There's literally thousands of coins that have been created. Hundreds of them are available in exchanges. And similar to the stock exchange, the cryptocurrency market has its own exchanges. Exchanges like Bitfinex, Binance, Bittrex. They have hundreds of coins available for people to purchase, and there's tons of information available on these exchanges. You can look at a certain coin and what the 24-hour change in price has been. You can look at the charts and see what's happened over the last day. You can break it down to the last hour, even to the last minute. You can set up purchases, a limit order, a market order, stop limit orders. The information available at your fingertips can frankly be a bit overwhelming. And that's why a lot of beginners either don't get involved in trading or they don't do very well when they decide to start trading on their own. When you start trading in the cryptocurrency marketplace, you need to understand that there's risk involved. Even the best traders in the world can't win on every single trade. The good news is they don't have to win on every trade to still win overall. When trading, it's really important to be patient. The best traders in the world look long term. Short-term losses do not cause them to make emotional decisions, and emotional trades can be very costly. That's why the largest financial institutions in the world utilize artificial intelligence software programs to help execute trades on their behalf. CWE evens the playing field for average people that are looking to get above average results in the cryptocurrency trading marketplace. The CWE software, it uses API to communicate with your personal exchange. And it can communicate in less than a millisecond to get the information that it needs to make decisions on whether to buy or whether to sell a particular coin. It reads the balances. It'll gather that information. What's the bid and what's the ask? What's the historical price? What's the trend look like on the chart? It'll ask social media information. How many people just tweeted about this coin that we're looking at? How many people Google searched this coin? And it can do all those things within your personal exchange, but the one thing it can't do is withdraw any of your funds. You're the only person that can do that. You control all of the funds in your personal exchange at all times. The cryptocurrency CWE bots create automatic buying and selling of these cryptocurrencies. The artificial intelligence software gives us the ability to truly trade like a professional. It really does even the playing field between us and the big institutional investors in the marketplace. What I'd recommend is watching the next few videos that explain the platforms and how you can get off the sidelines and get in the game today.